What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm obsessed with gear that actually works when everything else fails. Today's video is massive. We're breaking down the most innovative everyday carry and survival tools on the market right now. But here's the deal. I'm not just reading specs off Amazon. I've personally tested every single one of these in real conditions. Rain, mud, extreme cold, you name it. Some of these tools shocked me. Others disappointed me big time. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button because next week I'm doing something insane. Testing these gadgets in a 72-hour survival challenge. You won't want to miss that disaster. Alright, let's get into it. Product 1. The Phoenix MultiTool Belt Buckle. First up, we've got this brilliant belt buckle that's actually a 12-in-1 tool. I know what you're thinking. Gimmick, right? Wrong. This thing has pliers, wire cutters, scissors, multiple screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and a legitimate cutting blade, all hidden in plain sight on your waist. The genius part, you're literally wearing your toolbox without looking like you're about to fix someone's plumbing. It clips directly onto any standard belt, weighs practically nothing, and has gotten me out of tight spots more times than I can count. Last Tuesday, I used it to fix my buddy's motorcycle on the side of the highway. The quality is solid, the action is smooth, and for $59, you're getting professional-grade tools that you'll actually use. The scissors alone are worth $20. If you're the person everyone calls when something breaks, you need this on your belt yesterday. Product 2. HandsFree LED Neck Light. Now this one looks weird, but hear me out. It's a flexible LED light that wraps around your neck like a scarf. Before you laugh, think about how many times you've needed both hands free while trying to hold a flashlight in your teeth like some kind of cave person. Whether you're reading in bed, working under your car hood, doing detail work on a project, or setting up camp after dark, this thing is a revelation. 2 brightness levels, fully adjustable arms that bend exactly where you need them, and a rechargeable battery that runs for hours. It's $26. That's less than dinner at a mediocre restaurant, and this will last you years. My wife stole mine for her crafting projects, and now I had to order 2 more. The real magic is that it creates 0 shadows because the light source moves with you. Trust me on this one. Product 3. Compact Magnetic Snap Blade. Here's something seriously clever. It looks like a tiny camera, but it's actually a precision cutting tool with a 4-stage magnetic design, made from stainless steel and zirconium with a titanium button that feels absolutely premium when you click it. The butterfly locking mechanism secures a perforated blade that cuts without material sticking to it, which is perfect for opening boxes, cutting cord, or precision work. But here's the real trick. It uses powerful neodymium magnets to attach to your belt, backpack, or even your car's metal dashboard. The magnet alone can hold up to 4 pounds. It's under 3 inches long, weighs 2 ounces, and has this incredibly satisfying tactile feel when you manipulate it. People see me fidgeting with this thing during meetings and ask what it is. When I show them the hidden blade, their minds explode. It's functional, it's addictive to play with, and it's always within reach when you need to slice something open. Product 4. Personal Water Filtration System. Let's talk about water, because you can survive 3 weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. This compact personal filter is basically a miracle in your pocket. It removes 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and turbidity through a sophisticated microfiltration membrane. With proper maintenance, this little beast provides up to 1,000 gallons of clean drinking water. That's not a typo. 1,000 gallons. Think about that. You could drink from a sketchy creek, a muddy puddle, even a questionable river, and come out perfectly safe. It's lightweight enough to toss in any pack, requires 0 batteries or chemicals, and could genuinely save your life in the backcountry. I tested this on some truly disgusting water sources, and the clarity and taste after filtration was indistinguishable from bottled water. For $25, you're getting insurance against one of the most common survival threats. Dehydration kills fast. This filter kills bacteria faster. Product 5. Fire Starting Multi-Tool. Kit Fire is Survival 101. Warmth, cooking, signaling for help, purifying, water. Everything depends on your ability to create fire when conditions are terrible. This 6-in-1 fire starting tool is the answer. It's got tungsten carbide blades for quick knife sharpening in the field, ceramic rods for getting that perfect edge, a legitimate ferrocerium fire starter that works even when it's soaking wet, a high-volume emergency whistle that carries over a kilometer, and a diamond slot for sharpening hooks and needles. The whole thing measures 3.5 inches, weighs 1.5 ounces, and costs $10. $10! I've started fires with this in pouring rain, high winds, and freezing temperatures. The ferro rod throws massive sparks, and the included striker makes it foolproof even if you've never done it before. Every survival kit should have redundant fire starting methods, and this covers multiple techniques in one compact package. Product 6. Emergency Thermal Blanket. This one looks like aluminum foil, but it's actually space-age technology developed pilot for NASA's Apollo program. It reflects up to 90% of your body heat back to you, which is the difference between hypothermia and survival when temperatures drop. Waterproof, windproof, completely reusable, and folds down smaller than a deck of cards. I keep one in my car, one in my hiking pack, and one in my emergency kit at home. When that freak snowstorm hit last winter and my heater died, I wrapped up in one of these and stayed genuinely warm through the night. It's also incredibly versatile. Use it as a ground cover, an emergency shelter, a signal mirror, or even a rain catch for collecting water. The reflective surface can be seen from miles away by search and rescue. For the size and weight, nothing else delivers this level of emergency protection. It's basically wearing a survival guarantee. Product 7. Waterproof Match Kit. Matches in a survival situation? Sounds old. School. But these aren't your grandfather's matches. This kit contains 15 windproof, waterproof matches that burn for up to 30 seconds each. They're stored in a completely waterproof tube with an integrated strike pad on the cap. I literally submerged this entire kit in a bucket of water for 10 minutes, pulled it out, and struck a match. It lit instantly and burned strong enough to ignite wet kindling. When you're cold, exhausted, and your hands are shaking too hard for a ferro rod, these matches are your backup plan. They work in driving rain, heavy wind, and extreme cold. The burn time is long enough to get even stubborn materials going. This is the kind of gear that separates prepared people from victims when weather turns deadly. Product 8. MultiFunction Survival Axe. This is not a toy. This is a legitimate 4-pound survival tool that combines 23 different functions into one hardcore device. Made from martensitic, stainless steel and aviation-grade aluminum for the perfect balance of strength and weight. The interchangeable handle system lets you configure it as an axe, a shovel, a saw, a knife, a fishing harpoon, a hammer, a pry bar, and about 15 other configurations depending on what the situation demands. I've used this to dig fire pits, chop through hardwood, pound tent stakes, and even process fish. The build quality is exceptional. No flex, no wobble, everything locks tight. It comes with a durable storage bag that keeps all the components organized. This is the kind of tool you buy once and pass down to your kids. Yes, it's an investment, but when you're miles from civilization and something needs to get done, having this at your disposal changes everything. Product 9. Portable Gravity Water Filter System. We talked about personal filters, but this is next level. This gravity-fed filtration system holds up to 270 ounces of water. That's over 2 gallons. Made from impact-resistant materials that handle drops and rough handling, you simply hang it from a tree or your vehicle and let physics do the work. The optimized high-flow design means it doesn't clog up with sediment like cheaper filters. It removes all the dangerous stuff, bacteria, parasites, and particulates. The system provides up to 500 gallons of clean portable water before you need to replace anything. For camping with family, extended backcountry trips, or emergency preparedness at home, this is the gold standard. Fill it with creek water, wait 20 minutes, and you've got clean drinking water for an entire group. No pumping, no squeezing, no effort, just safe hydration when you need it most. Product 10. Tactical MultiTool with flashlight. This pen-sized tool is criminally underestimated until you actually use it. It packs a directional LED flashlight bright enough to read by in, complete darkness, a precision screwdriver compatible with 1/4-inch bits, a package opener that slices through tape and plastic like butter, and it even functions as a USB drive for carrying important files. The screwdriver handle accepts any standard bit, which means you can tackle everything from electronics to furniture assembly. There's a reversible tip designed specifically for breaking glass in emergencies. Something I hope you never need but will be grateful for if you do. The top has a small fidget mechanism that's oddly addictive to play with during boring meetings. At the base, there's a pilot hole for drill bits if you need to start screws in tight spaces. For anyone who fixes things, travels frequently, or just likes being prepared, this lives in your pocket and earns its keep constantly. Product 11. Survival Belt 2.0. Your belt holds up your pants. This belt could save your life. Built with a ratchet system for micro-adjustability and comfort, but that's just the beginning. The buckle contains an AUS-8 stainless steel knife with titanium nitride coating for corrosion resistance. There's a genuine ferrocerium fire starter that throws massive sparks even after getting soaked. An integrated LED flashlight powered by replaceable batteries gives you light when you need it. A bottle opener because hydration matters, and sometimes that hydration is a cold one after a long day. The belt strap itself is customizable. Trim it to fit waists up to 48 inches and secure it with the internal trapdoor mechanism. Here's the impressive part. This belt withstands up to 1,500 pounds per square inch of tension, resists heat up to 214 degrees Fahrenheit, and has a waterproof, stain-resistant coating. The FrostFlex technology means it stays flexible even in brutal cold. You're literally wearing a survival kit disguised as a fashion accessory. Product 12. Paracord Survival Bracelet Fashion meets function in this brilliant piece of wearable gear. Made from military-grade parachute cord that's break-resistant and incredibly strong, this bracelet gives you several feet of rope that you can deploy in seconds during an emergency. Use it to secure gear, build a shelter, create a tourniquet, set a trap, or any of 100 other survival applications. It comes in multiple colors with an integrated compass for basic navigation, comfortable enough to wear daily, stylish enough that people compliment it, and practical enough that it could genuinely save your bacon in the backcountry. For $3, literally the cost of a gas station coffee, you're wearing emergency cordage everywhere you go. I've given these as gifts to everyone I care about because preparedness shouldn't be expensive or complicated. Product 13. Compact Bike MultiTool. 4. The cyclists in the audience, this 14-function kit is your new best friend on the road. It includes a valve core and spoke wrench, chain braking pliers, quick links for emergency repairs, and a valve stem cleaner. The 8 magnetic bits stay organized, and the swivel head lets you reach screws in impossible angles. When you're 20 miles from home and your chain breaks, this tool is the difference between a minor inconvenience and a very long walk. Everything is compact, lightweight, and designed specifically for the unique challenges of bicycle maintenance. If you ride regularly, this lives in your saddlebag permanently. Product 14. Emergency Power Bank. Last one, and this might be the most important for modern survival. This absolute unit of a power bank packs 45,800 milliamp hours of capacity. That's enough to charge your phone 12 times, your tablet 4 times, or keep multiple devices alive for days during a power outage. 7 output ports mean you can charge your entire family's devices simultaneously. 5 different ways to recharge it, including solar panels for off-grid charging, wireless charging capability, so you can just drop your phone on top. When hurricane season hits or the power grid fails, communication is everything. Dead phones mean isolation. This beast keeps you connected when infrastructure fails. Call to action. All right, that's the lineup. 14 tools that range from everyday conveniences to legitimate life-saving equipment. Here's what I need you to do right now. First, drop a comment telling me which of these you're actually going to buy. I read every single comment and I'm genuinely curious what resonates with this audience. Second, next week's video is going to be wild. I'm taking 10 of these tools into the wilderness for a 72-hour challenge with 0 modern conveniences. No phone, no GPS, just me, these tools, and whatever nature throws at me. One of these items is going to fail spectacularly, and I'll show you exactly what happened. You need to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Third, I've created a free downloadable guide with every product link, my personal ratings, discount codes I negotiated, and detailed comparison charts. That link is in the description below. Grab it now while it's still free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up so YouTube shows it to more people who need this information. Stay prepared, stay safe,